bus coordinator said, "Let's prank your boss. Which one is he?"
If you have small handheld devices, such as cell phones, tablets, and smartwatches, please switch them to airplane mode now. If your electronic device falls into your seat, please tab or compartment handle to break the seal. If equipped with an elastic harness, remove the harness before opening the pouch. Take the vest out as shown on the safety card and put it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist, attach the buckle, and pull tight. Once outside, pull the tab to inflate your vest or blow into the red tube. In the water, a light on your vest will automatically illuminate. If necessary, an infant life vest will be
E-service and vaping devices at any time aboard the aircraft. These devices may not be plugged into any power sources, including USB ports and AC outlets. If you're wearing face covering in the event the oxygen mask drops from the over compartment, remove your face covering before placing the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. We're coming through the aisle now for a final safety check. We appreciate you choosing American Airlines. Sit back, relax, and enjoy your 1 hour, 19-minute flight service to Nashville. Thank you.
We're good. If 3 won't slow it down, 4 never would have. It's like NASCAR. We just keep going left.
How's conference for you? How's conference for you? I hadn't seen you since we flew in, so I didn't know how. Get back home. Yeah, I ended up being the day after we started. Thursday, I woke up not feeling good. Yesterday, I slept in my hotel all day. 8 a.m. all night. Yeah, just sweaty. I don't feel like
Hold on to your hat, Jeff.
quite the better day. Not semi.
So hold on to your hat.
I'm sure you get home. Lay down. Turn on that down.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's our pleasure to welcome you to Nashville. Local time is 3:18 p.m. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off, and keep the aisle clear of all carrying items. Take a moment to check those seat back pockets for any personal items like tablets, cell phones, wallets, anything of value. Keep in mind, once you deplane the aircraft, you're not allowed to report. So once again, to a serious record, please be sure to check your seat back pockets for any personal items. Also, when you open up the overhead compartment, use caution as carrying items may have shifted in flight. On behalf of this great Miami-based crew, American Airlines, and our onboard partners, we would like